Welcome to the April update on the Lance Corporal Leon Darup's Interstate 70 Missouri River Bridge, featuring this month's construction updates, continued nightly lane closures along Interstate 70, and the National Work Zone Awareness Week kickoff event at Rocheport. MoDOT Central Missouri District served as the host for the National Work Zone Awareness Week kickoff earlier this month. The event took place on the new deck of the bridge.
My name's Michelle Watkins. I'm District Engineer with MoDOT Central District. National Work Zone Awareness Week is this month, and MoDOT has the privilege of hosting the national kickoff event with several federal and local guest speakers in attendance at the Missouri River Bridge project near Rocheport. With weather warming up, motorists will begin to see more and more work zones on Missouri's roadways. Motorists should be aware of the changing traffic conditions, observe warning signs, and be sure to change lanes before reaching lane closures. We're asking drivers to work with us again this construction season. Buckling up and putting our phones down are examples of actions that will help us make a difference in keeping people safe. We urge all travelers to work with us also by making smart, safe driving choices behind the wheel and protect themselves against those that they share the roadway with, including highway workers. I'd like to take a moment and thank everyone for their efforts and their contributions to make this event a success. It's always a special occasion when we can collaborate for a greater cause and see the work taking place. We want to take a moment and say thank you to all that you do for the people of Missouri.
Work continues to progress this month along Interstate 70 on the deck of the new bridge, where crews are continuing median paving. Upon completion of this segment of work, crews will prepare to progress towards the east end of the bridge to complete the median. Over the course of the month of April, crews have continued deck pouring further along the west end of the bridge as well. Let's hear from the Rocheport project staff for an update for the month of April.
My name's Andrew Birtles, and I'm a construction inspector on the Rocheport Bridge project. To give you this monthly update, we're continuing our paving of the median on the west side of the bridge, and we'll continue that through the month of April, and then we'll be moving into on the east side of the bridge, getting the median closed up to prepare for switching traffic onto the new bridge. Our Saturday superintendent talk is on the Katy Trail next month for the month of May. So we'll have nightly lane drops in the eastbound direction. The passing lane will be closed, so in order to get our asphalt paving and get all the asphalt in. The lane drops are up from 7 p.m. to 6 a.m. So just be on the lookout for those.
If you're traveling on Interstate 70 in the area, plan some additional time and follow all traffic signs through the work zone. Again, we want to stress that this work will be happening along the roadway, and for everyone's safety, we encourage drivers to slow down, obey all traffic signs, and stay focused on the road. Don't forget, you can see day-to-day updates on project progress at modot.org/Rocheport Bridge, including live cameras. That's all for this month. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to get the latest updates on this project and others across the Central District. And visit modot.org/Rocheport for live cameras, project details, or to subscribe to updates sent straight to your inbox. And as always, stay safe. Be sure to buckle up whenever you travel and put your phone away when you're behind the wheel. We'll see you next time.